So what the market did was that it pulled out from the 50%, touched the 61%, created a liquidity sweep, then pushed up. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
It gets to the 50%,
Yes.
61%, then create what it did on 4 hours was that it dropped. This is liquidity sweep. This thing that happened here is liquidity sweep. But normally, if you go on 1 hour, this is where you're supposed to enter. This is where we are supposed to enter. Then
Yep.
put our
Yep.
stop loss here.
And what's our
Here.
stop loss? 200 pips. Okay.
Yes, the 200 pips because it's kind of a swing trade. But this can happen in a day. This happened in a day, if I'm not mistaken. This happened in a day.
Yeah, I think so. I
This
think
buy
so.
happened in a day. It started, I know when it started. It started at London session. London section. When you see this
Okay.
on London share, I told you guys that you can enter once you see your entry. It doesn't matter. You don't need to wait for you to get a good entry. You don't need to wait for the section, New York section to open. You
Yes.
can enter
Yes.
from the London
In London
section.
session.
Yes,
Yep.
exactly. So that you catch more, even if the New York session opens, the market will do a little bit retracement and still pull up. You catch more people. If you want to break even, you can just break even and leave it for the trade to run for the whole day. Which, if you
Hmm.
allowed it, it will hit your TP, which is here at the 61. It will hit your TP. It was on Friday that this drop started. This drop started.
Okay, perfect. Yep.
So that is it. So now we are going to analyze the trade starting from. I will delete this. I will erase this. So you analyze the trade. One will analyze the trade just on your own personal. Still go through it, right?
Okay.
Yes, still go through it. Analyze on your own. Try to understand. Try to understand why we did and what we did and why we did it. So it will help. It will help.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So now this is our monthly. So as we usually do, we'll start from the monthly analysis. This is the highest high. The market is at the highest level, the highest high currently. And this is our low. So our low as so our support, this is our resistance. Then move to weekly. Perfect. The market is very clear now. Looking at the weekly, you see that yes, the market it has rejected twice on the weekly. It has rejected twice on the weekly. So let's move down to daily. I let's move down to daily. Okay, the daily. You see, I'll bring this trend line. This is our trend line out here. So the market is bullish, but now the market is at the resistance level. I will still know what was going to happen. We'll still figure out what's going to happen. So now we'll first of all we'll draw our Fibonacci where the market is currently. You see, the market still need the market to get to this 27%. I'm still expecting the market to get there. Then, if there will be a drop, definitely Then if the market can push from this 27, we are expecting it to get to the 61%. But I'm going to remove this because we are trading uh, from 1 hour. So looking at it now, here, this is where the market pulled up from and created this high now. So what we are looking at, we are going to bring the Fibonacci and draw it from here, from this low to where the market is currently.
So can I ask a question, please?
Is that clear? Okay, go on.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, why do we take it to where the market is currently as opposed to the high?
Where the market is currently,
Yeah, the fib. Why do we not take it to the high?
the market is at the resistant level. Where the market is now currently now, we are
Mhm.
expecting the market to do a little bit push down before we can take it up.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Do you,
thank you.
do you understand?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
so we are following what the market is doing, but we know vividly well that the market is an uptrend. But now the market is currently on the highest high, at the highest high.
Yes.
You understand? So for the market to break, this level, then give us a retracement, something like this, they will know that the market is about to pull up again. But here, the market can still reverse to 50% or 38 and decide to pull off. So after that, we're still going to check if there is news next week. So now, this is another support level. It has been rejecting here at this 50% fib level. The market has been rejecting here. So we are expecting the market to at least get to this place, 50, touch this trend line, then take it up to 61. This is 4 hours. You are looking at about 1,000 pips.
Yeah.
This is what you are looking at. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Or looking at it again, you see there we have a lot of rejections at this level. We have a lot of rejection. The market have been rejecting. But on Friday, the market broke it. I was watching the market, though I didn't trade. The market broke it. I was looking at the market. I thought that what will happen, seems the market could come this low, that once it breaks it, it's gonna just retrace, then pull up. But it didn't
Mm.
happen. Then the markets could not break this high. You understand? It started coming down again and broke this uh, high here at this level. This level. Because if you watch closely, you see a lot of resistance, rejection. I mean, too many rejections here. The market broke it, came back again, started consolidating at this high. So the sellers are much here. The sellers are much. The sellers are much here. So the market broke here, came down again, broke it again. And we're expecting the market to come down a bit to the 51 because now the sellers are in charge. The sellers are in charge currently. The market has to drop to a certain level, 50% or 38% level. If actually the market is going to pull up, it will pull up. but we are expecting it to get to 50%, then we'll take it from there. But if in case the market breaks this trend line, that means the market is planning to come back to the previous level, the previous support level.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying? If the market,
Yes.
if the market cannot respect this 50% level to take us up, then we are expecting that the market should come to the 100% level, to the previous support level, then take us up. But we are not going to be selling. We are still buying.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? Because looking at
Yes.
generally looking at the market is an uptrend. Generally, the market is an uptrend.
Yes.
Is that clear? So we are still looking
Yep.
at the market for the market to come down here at least, unless if you know how to trade, if you want to take it from there to 50% of or 31 or 38%, good, 300 pieces. But that's not, I think this can happen only on Monday or even come down to 50%. So I'm not looking at any of this. What I'm looking at is the market coming down to 50 to 61 and taking it up.
Okay.
It's as simple as it sounds. But when you are now on your system, you know how to go about it. If not this, I'm not trading. That is it. If not it, I'm not trading. Whatever the market is doing, it's none of my business. If not this thing, I'm not trading. Once I'm seeing the market gets here, anything that happens here, that's when I'll start looking at the market to enter. I'll be looking for entry. Engulfing candle. If I see any wick, creating any wick at the 4 hours, giving me a wick 4 hours, I'm entering. Engulfing candle on 1 hour, I'm entering. Then I'll place my stop loss beneath the 61%. If it hits me out, that's my first target. I'll wait for the 100%. I have first target, second target, and third target. If it hits me out here, I'll wait for 100%. All I'm doing is still buying. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yes, sir.
So still do the same. Do the same.
Okay, sir. Will
So
do.
we'll see how it goes. I'm going to drop this on our chat on our group so that others will look at it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. That will be the end of Do you have any question based on the analysis?
No, sir. I'll wait. I'll wait for price to get to the right place.
Okay, I'll pretty much appreciate that if you exercise the patience.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day. And let's look forward to the week.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah.